Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit9. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove all kinds of viruses from your Windows 11 PC and laptop. I'll be sharing 4 simple steps, so this video will be quick, and by the end, you'll notice a significant improvement in your computer's performance. First, click on the search box and type cleanmgr. In the suggestions, select Disk Cleanup. The Disk Cleanup tool will open. By default, the C drive will be selected. Click OK, and then a new window will appear. Check all the boxes, including the recycle bin if you don't need to restore any deleted files. Also, check temporary files, thumbnails, delivery optimization files, and temporary internet files. You'll see how much space will be freed. This will help improve your system's performance by removing unnecessary junk. Afterward, click on Clean Up System Files. Select the C drive again and click OK. And once that's done, press OK again. If you encounter a new pop-up saying, "Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files?" click Delete Files. Step 2. Deleting temporary files. Next, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run box. Type temp and hit OK. A folder will open with temporary files. Press Ctrl and A at the same time to select all files, and then press Delete to remove them. If some files can't be deleted because they're in use, just check the Do This for All Current Items box and click Skip. It's perfectly fine to leave those files alone. After that, close the folder. Press Windows plus R again, type %temp% and hit OK. Repeat the same process, select all files using Ctrl plus A and delete them. After that, close the folder. Finally, press Windows plus R one last time, type prefetch and hit Enter. You may be prompted for permission, just click Continue. Again, select all files and delete them. Step 3. Running a virus and malware scan. Now, go to the search box, type MRT, and press Enter. This will open the Windows Malicious Software Removal tool, which is a free tool from Microsoft. Click Next to proceed. You'll have 3 options: Quick Scan, Full Scan, or Custom Scan. If you're short on time, you can choose Quick Scan, but for a thorough check I recommend selecting Full Scan. Click Next, and the tool will start scanning for any infections or viruses and remove them. Once the scan is completed, click Finish. The Windows Malicious Software Removal tool is designed to detect and remove specific widespread malware that poses significant threats. However, it only targets a limited range of known malicious software, so we still need to run a full system scan for other potential malware. To do this, go to the Start menu, open Settings, then navigate to Privacy and Security. Click on Windows Security and head to Virus and Threat Protection. Next, click on Scan Options and select the Full Scan option. Then Scan Now. The scanning process may take some time, sometimes up to an hour, so please be patient while it completes. The final step is to ensure your Windows Defender is up to date. Click on the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and open it. Once inside, go to Virus and Threat Protection, scroll a bit and click Protection Updates, then click on Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it to ensure your system has the latest virus definitions and protection features. After completing all 4 steps, restart your PC or laptop. You'll notice that all viruses and malware have been removed, and your system's performance has significantly improved. That's all for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video for more helpful content in the future. Thanks for watching.